yes, strings are immutable. That we are going to um, uh, check today. How is this possible? Okay, the strings are actually the immutable types. So what does it actually mean? That is says actually strings are immutable means that the content of the string cannot be changed after it has been created. Thus, every time we perform any operation on a string that changes it, Python will internally create a new string rather than modifying the old one. Okay, let us understand it by typing a particular string out here. Say str equals to, I am taking out here individual. Okay, individual, and then storing it out here into the string variable. Now, suppose if I want to change this str and then str, then I am taking 3 out here, then I am trying to change it into a, that I'm trying to changing into a. Okay, changing into a out here, then how it looks like, you see out here what the error message is coming. So this is called an error message. What kind of error message has been generated? This is called type error. What does it say? It says that str object does not support item assignment. Means the item assignment in the sense means here the 0 1 2 3 where the I supposed to be changed with a has not taken place. This kind of errors are called type error. That means what? Python does not allow you to change a character in a string. All right, so you have tried or you have attempted to replace the string I here with the string A, and that has not been allowed. This is known as the type error, and it proves that strings are immutable. Now slowly we are going to another method which is very important one. Okay, that is the uh, max split method. That's the split method rather. The split method, what it does, it breaks up a string at the specified separator and returns a list of substrings. You can see out here, it is having two, it takes two uh, arguments. One is called separator, another is the max split, means maximum number of split to happen. And separator means it is a delimiter. But by the way, both the parameters are optional. The separator is a delimiter. Delimiter means it can be some kind of white space, means white space in the sense means it can be a space, it can be a new line character, it can be a semicolon, it can be a colon or something different, some other punctuation mark as well. So what does it do? It actually split up the strings into small substrings and returns a list of substrings or just substrings. You can say now I'm executing this program and you see that how what is the output of this one. All right, now what it is saying here. So first the split method is that this is the implementation. Okay, this is a list. The a string has been taken, blue semicolon, green semicolon. That means semicolon has been taken as separator, and here it is been given x dot split, and then semicolon has been given with the double quote. Means wherever it will find the semicolon, that particular string will be broken or splitted. That means blue, green, yellow, red has been separated. Now I have written out here Delhi is the capital of India, and I have not mentioned any delimiter out here. So what it has said, it was saying that if no separator has been specified, in that case any white space can be accepted. White space means non-printable character. All right, that is called white space. Now what is the white space? Is the space itself is the white space out here. Okay, and what is the thing? That has been taken as the delimiter since no separator has been mentioned out here. So it is a bit different from the previous statement. Now we can see out here that has not been, nothing has been mentioned. So the string has been printed in the broken way in this way. Okay, that is the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 substrings has been printed. From that, Delhi is the capital of India. Now the thing is that another string has been taken under the color variable red, blue, orange, pink. Here the 4 strings are there and it is delimited by colon sign. Now what is given? It is here the both the parameter has been used. The separator parameter as well as the max split parameter also has been assigned out here. Now what is the thing? Here the max split is 2. That's what color dot split when you have given maximum split has taken place with 2, that is red and blue. Means the total string has been splitted into 2 different parts and another part is remain intact. Okay, so that is the purpose of the max split 2. All right, and the second one is split 1. We are coming to that next. Now see the same program that is having the max split is 1. That means the substring will be splitted maximum into 1. All right, the same thing has happened out here. That is the red has been separated and the other portion has remained intact. Okay, and the third one is max split 5, but the 5 substrings are not here. Whatever maximum number of substring that has been splitted up. Okay, red, blue, orange, pink. If one more would have been there, then you would have been seen this. All right, and then color dot split, then max split, and the max split portion has been given 0 and the delimiter is colon. So what is happening? No split has taken place. You see the first one and second one is different. You see the first one, it was split only. Okay, so you the thing is that substring has been divided, but here, so each one was enclosed by a single quote, but here it does not happen. What happened out here? It is actually being considered without split. Okay, the whole thing has been shown as a single string, so no split has taken place. So 0 also can be passed as a parameter into the split method. Okay, that is the purpose of the split. Okay, that takes how many parameters? Two parameters, separator and max split parameter. Okay, the default value of max split is -1, which means no limit on the number of splits. Okay, so if you are giving -1 out here, let's see what is happening. Once we will execute and we will come to know, and the concept will be clear even. All right, so you see out here the output. Okay, you see that maximum number of split has occurred out here, but previously it was only one. Now it has split has taken. So what does the default value of max split? It is -1, means no limit in splitting of the string. All right, so that is the thing out here. So and when you are keeping this one, the this kind of output is appearing. All right, a similar output is appearing. So that is the thing, that is the use of max split. Now we are going to another method, which is another program, which is actually a string formatting program. You can say accept a string and return having first letter of each word in capital letter, as we can see the title of any English poem, story, or any essay. All right, so what is happening? Whatever you are entering, then the first letter will be formed in capital. All right, let's see how it is appearing. Now run and then executing this one. Once you see the output, then you will come to know. So I'm giving out here the lion, the lion king, Simba, right? Then pressing enter. Now you watch the output once, whether it is tallying with the subject or not. Yes, it is. So what is happening? The Lion King, it is the original string, and the string with the first letter capital is showing out here. The Lion King Simba. Each of the first letter of the string has become capital. Now what does it do? Then the two string has been taken, two variables, one is str and another is str1, which has been nullified. This is called what? Null string. Null string means which does not contain anything. So str.split means this particular string, whatever has been entered, that has been divided into substring, since it has been given only split. I have seen in the previous program. So what is happening? Each word has been splitted into one substring. So how many substrings are there? 4 substrings are there. So for I next, I is actually representing one substrings. And what is the purpose of the capitalize? Capitalize actually capitalizing the first letter of each string to be capital. Okay, so the thing is that first letter of each string has been capitalized by using I dot capitalize, because I is representing the string under the X object variable. When it has got splitted, it has been separated and stored into X. And for I in X means each individual string has been taken into consideration, and capitalize method has been used in order to make the first letter to be capital, and it is accumulating in the string variable str1. So when the loop is finished, means loop stops is executing, it is coming out of the loop and printing the resultant string. So we got the output string with first letter capital as the Lion King Simba. All right, that is the thing. So our thing was before the string was before entering, before modifying was like this, and finally it has become in this way. So these two programs, one is by using the split method, another is the capitalize, and another the capitalize. Of course, Apple you have done before, so do its practical and